First, we'll solve this multiplication. 4 and 4 cancels out each other. That equals 1, and 8 divided by 1 equals 8. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. 8 divided by 1 over 4, a number is getting divided by a fraction, and to solve it, what we can do is we can use KCF rule: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 8 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. Flip means we flip the fraction 1 over 4 to 4 over 1, and we can write it as just 4. We don't need to write 4 over 1. And then we have times 4 present from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present. Just go work from left to right and start multiplying. 8 times 4, that gives us 32. And finally 32 times 4, that gives us 128, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.